You want to explore revenue by category and order date. Begin by creating a project and selecting a data source. Then select order date and hold down the control key while you select revenue and category. There are too many values displayed to identify any patterns. So create a calculation to group the dates by year to reduce the clutter on the canvas. Open the calendar date folder and double-click year to create the expression, and double-click order date to replace the variable with a value. Validate and save the expression. Swap order date and order year. It looks like sales peaked in 2015 across all categories, but it's especially pronounced for the internal category. You can track the progress of your exploration and build a story by adding insights. Update the title and add a meaningful description for this insight. Insights enable you to capture different snapshots of the report at different phases of your exploration. Duplicate the canvas and rename the new one. Delve deeper into the exploration by creating a second calculation for revenue, except this time use the month variable. Validate and save the calculation. Add the new month calculation to explore its impact on revenue. It looks like your initial conclusion was incorrect. The year-to-year comparison decline was actually due to comparing a full year of data for 2015 with a partial year of data for 2016. Save this as another insight. Insights are great because you can save snapshots of the analyses as you move through the data investigation process. Be sure to rename the insight to help you remember your discovery. Add a third canvas and rename it too. The mobile category appears to be fairly flat. This is surprising and disappointing given the rapid growth in the sector overall. Explore the mobile category further by adding a filter, and continue looking into the cause of the downturn in mobile revenue. Add a second chart and drag it below the line chart. Drag depot name, units, and category to the new chart. Position the mouse over a value, and then use the right-click menu to sort the data to see the lowest values first. Create a marquee by dragging the cursor over specific values, and then right-click to keep only the depots that are performing below expectations. Both charts reflect the addition of the filter. This is called brushing. Continue exploring by swapping item type with category in the color drop target. It looks like tablets are responsible for the downturn across the depots. Continue to build the story by adding another insight. Add your observations about mobile sales. Name the insight and navigate back to visualize mode. Create the last canvas for this project. Next, right-click a data value and drill down to the store type level. It looks like only the computer store types show any revenue growth, and based on the broken lines, there wasn't revenue for some store types in some months. Add this as the last insight to the story. Capture a description of your discovery. Rename the insight and then save the project. Based on this exploration, you now have a better understanding of the downturn in revenue for specific item and store types. Click the tabs at the bottom to step through each insight. You can present your findings as a comprehensive story by using the Story Navigator. You use presentation mode to share your story. In this video, I showed you how to create a project, swap columns, limit data, create a calculation, drill down, and create a storyline.